Okay, so now we can move on to the next step where we create stream-like objects in our GIS. We've got the accumulated flow, and so the next thing to do is to take that and convert it into streams. We need to link the cells into actual streams. Not actual streams, that was silly of me, into these things that we're going to call streams, these objects. Rather than just being dumb cells in a raster, we want some vector object that is a stream. So we need to find a tool for doing that, and we can use the StreamLink tool for that. So if we go to Tools and we search for Stream, and there we go, StreamLink, click on that, and then we can drag that into there, and okay, input stream raster, yep, okay, good, still not happy, so we right click on that and we open it up. Here's our StreamLink tool. So it's got the stream raster, those cells that are streams. They're just dumb cells sitting next to each other, but they don't know that their neighbors are also streams. And so then we need to link them together somehow. And for this to work, we need the input flow direction raster. Okay, so flow direction, we can drag that into there if you want. And that's the flow direction raster. And then the output, somehow that hasn't managed to keep up. And the output is going to be a streams raster. Streams raster. Click on OK, and it didn't like that because, yeah, that's how, yes, thank you. So it lost that connection. Now it's got it back again. Let's save that. So that was, let's just reiterate, on there we had, because that decided to play around, the input stream raster is that one there, the input flow direction, the flow direction goes into there, and the output is our stream raster. So that's now going to create a raster of cells that are linked in some way. They're still raster cells, it's not actually a vector object yet. So now we need to convert these raster cells that are all streamy sort of things now, that are kind of linked, but turn them into a vector object, which will make for a much nicer map as well. So for this, we could just use a simple raster to vector tool, but that would lose the information about the connectivity between the streams. If you read this the section here, I'm not going to go into details there, but there's a definite direction of flow and order to the streams, and we would lose that connection if we just used the standard raster to vector tool. So what we actually need to use is this stream to feature tool, feature being a vector. So stream to feature, there we go, and then we can pull that into there. That's the input stream raster, and that also wants the flow direction raster. Okay, so that's the input flow direction raster, and then if we right click on that and go open, pull that there so you can see it. And what do we want? We want to output our polyline features. They can also go into the database as streams. Click on save, and then click on OK there, and we've got our streams, and we've got a bit of a mess. So let's just do that auto layout thing again, and it's time to get something that looks a bit tidier. We'll save our model. So now we've come all the way to creating streams. Now, if we run this model, it will output some vectors, some features in the terminology of ARC that are that we can call streams, and we can use those to make a map. But we're not done quite yet. There are a couple more things to do in this stage of the exercise, and we'll do those in the next video.